Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a chickpea salad that is vegan and oil-free. Now since I'm only making this for me, I'm going to be making half of the recipe, but the full recipe is below and also on my blog, so just follow along with me. Now I have just under a cup, which would be half a can of chickpeas here that you could rinse and drain, or these are actually chickpeas that I cooked myself. And what we want to do is break them up some. So I'm putting them in this small food processor here, and I'm going to just pulse them a couple times just to break them up, and then I'm going to transfer them right back into this bowl. Alright, you can see I've got my chickpeas ground up there, and now we want to add 1/4 cup, and again this is half the recipe, of a sweet mustard dressing. You can use whatever dressing is your favorite, but I have my own sweet mustard dressing that is oil-free and has a vegan option in there, and that's what this is. The recipe is below. I also have links to the video on where I made this dressing, and that's really good, let me tell you. And then you want for the recipe, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise of your choice, and again this is half. This is roughly 2.5 tablespoons, and this is a vegan mayonnaise that I made using white beans and avocado. And again, the recipe is below, and there's also a link to where you can see how I actually made that dressing. And then I want to add some celery and some onions, and the amount is really up to you. What I have here is about 2.5 tablespoons of diced up celery and about a tablespoon of diced up red onion. That amount, of course, is variable according to how much you want. We want to sprinkle in some black pepper. The amount there is totally up to you. I didn't put a whole lot in there. And now you just want to mix it up. And there we have it, and you can put this, a scoop of this, on salad greens. It's delicious like that. You could make it into a sandwich filling. You can wrap it up in tortillas. You can serve it as a dip with tortilla chips. You can put it in pita bread. It's like a mock tuna salad, so you can use it any way you would use a chicken or a tuna salad, and it is really delicious. Again, recipes are below, and I also have links to other videos where I made the components that went into this salad. Give it a try sometime, it's really good. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.